Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on Quantower. So what we're going to do right here is we select right here the profile icon, and now we select right here don't have an account, get started. And then right now we fill in our email address, our full name and our password. So we will do this real quick. And now they're telling us confirm email address. So we emailed a confirmation link to TommyFlex at Outlook. Click in the link in the email to finish registration. So right now what we're going to do is we open Outlook and go right here to the email that they sent us. Select right here, confirm my mail. And then you will see exactly this right here. Your registration was successfully completed. Now we select right here account dashboard, and now we need to log in, and we will do this real quick. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you want to create yourselves an account, please click on the link in my description to support my channel a little bit. But there you can create an account by yourself and then supporting me on YouTube. So that will be very nice. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.